Hi guys, it's Captain Sam McGinley with Shurhold Industries here again today with another clean and simple tip, and we are going to be focusing on one of the most visually noticeable parts of our boat, and that is our isinglass and strata glass that we have as an enclosure for our helm area. Now, many modern boats have this type of material, and it can get marred up and scratched up and dirty very, very quickly. And unless you maintain it properly, it can quickly degrade, and we definitely don't want that. So today, I'm going to walk you through some of our products that can help keep your isinglass and strata glass looking brand new for a long period of time. So let's get started.
Shurhold, clean and simple.
All right, so one of the first things we're going to focus on is the actual cleaning process of the isinglass during a normal boat wash. And what I mean by that is when you're washing your boat every week or 2 weeks or something like that, you should be addressing your isinglass at that time as well, because even though it may look clear and clean, sediment is building up on it the same as it's building up on the rest of your boat. Now, fortunately, we have two great products to make this process very easy. We're going to start with our Bright Wash. Now, this is the boat soap you're going to be using to wash your entire boat already. So it's already going to be in your bucket. It's already going to be ready to go. It's biodegradable and non-toxic. It will not damage your isinglass if it sits on there. So it's already a great cleaning tool, because what it does is it drifts over the dirt and sediment, emulsifies it, and makes it run off the glass really easy. So this is the first product you're going to be looking for cleaning your isinglass on a regular schedule. But the real key is our extra soft deck brush. Now, this deck brush was originally developed for the cleaning of isinglass and strata glass. Now, I know it seems like a crazy concept to use a brush. Everyone's telling you to use soft towels and terry cloths and stuff like that. And the reality is that those might not be the best choice, because this was developed originally for those extremely soft surfaces, and it will not scratch it. It works because we have a very deep pile in this, so all the sediment gets trapped deep up in the actual fibers themselves, and their fibers are so soft you'll never leave a scratch as long as this brush is clean. So this is the tool of choice when you're doing your regular washing and scrubbing of isinglass and strata glass. Now, after we're done washing the isinglass, it's very important that we take the time to dry it, and here's why. Even if you're using a water softening system like we are here on our Shurhold vessel, we will still leave mineral deposits on our isinglass and strata glass, and that becomes very visible as it dries. So unless we take the time to actually remove it with a high-quality dedicated chamois like our deluxe water sprite material, or even finishing with microfiber towels if that's your preference for the surface, either way, using one of those two methods will actually remove all that excess water off there, leave a flawless finish, and really show how clean your isinglass or strata glass can be after washing with Bright Wash. So make sure to take the time every time to dry off that glass with a high quality chamois or with a microfiber towel. For our final tip, let's talk about quickly detailing the isinglass and strata glass. The example being, say someone comes on board, they have some sunscreen on their hands, or they just had a snack and they accidentally put their handprint on the isinglass or the strata glass, and it's time to clean it up. Well, it may be tempting to reach for a typical household cleaner, like I've seen people use Clorox bleach spray, I've seen people use Lysol, and that's just not the right choice, because those cleaners have really harsh chemicals that makes the long-term health of the isinglass strata glass really not realistic. It makes them deteriorate quite quickly. They turn yellow, they turn brittle, they lose their suppleness. It's just not a good look. So instead, we have developed a chemical called Serious Shine, and this contains no ammonia. And what that means is that it's very safe to use on the very sensitive soft plastics on your boat. So all you have to do with this is spray it on to the isinglass and then give it a quick buff with a clean microfiber towel, and it'll quickly remove any type of sediment, stain, grease that may be sitting there, and leave you with a brilliant polished surface that's going to mimic what you had right after you had done washing it. So that's it. Until next time, I'm Captain Sam McGinley with Shurhold Industries, and I'm here to help you keep your boat clean and simple.
Really? Sam must be messing with me. There we go. Clean and simple.